What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new exciting episode of Conflicts. Today we have a brand new care package sent by Hasbro. That is right, this here is a Transformers box marking the 35th year anniversary for Transformers. Now, inside here contains the latest lineup of Hasbro products featuring Transformers, so it should be kind of interesting exactly what they sent. Now, big special thanks to Hasbro for sending this out, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get unboxing. Alright, so this here's the box, and on the front you do see Optimus Prime in all of its glory. It says more than meets the eye, of course the legendary slogan. And then as we kind of rotate it about, Megatron. That is right, on the back here we have Megatron. So let's go ahead and open this up. Ole, ole. Okay, well. Alright, so we have our box right here, kind of cool looking. It says Transformers, got our Autobot logo on the top here, red and gray. It says more than meets the eye, and on the back here it says Transformers, more than meets the eye. So lots of that slogan throughout. Now cool, even over here you got like a color image of Optimus and Megatron. Alright, let's see what's inside. Okay. Wow, that looks so cool. So on the top here, you have this really cool looking image of Optimus Prime and the Megatron kind of like running about. And then over here it says, enjoy the ultimate exclusive experience. So we have a few different things going on here. 3 different sections, 3 different exclusive products. So starting off on the right hand side here, we have a Walmart exclusive. Now I've seen these before. These here, this is Megatron. And then you have Optimus Prime as well. So those are actually pretty cool. So these here are the 35th anniversary exclusive products specifically for Walmart. So you can actually see they look really, really cool, especially the fact that you can go ahead and transform them from the truck to Optimus Prime and then from a tank into Megatron. So let's go and take a closer look at these really quick. So the first one to look at is Optimus Prime. Alright, check it out. So this here is Optimus Prime. So next we have Megatron. So he gets like this bazooka and he's got this crazy looking sword as well. Definitely a nice added touch to the Transformers series. And yeah, you can see that both of these particular Transformers are really cool to look at. They did a great job in terms of the details, and of course the fact that they can transform is even better as well. Now, it does require some finesse, so do keep that in mind in terms of if you do buy it. Alright, so in the middle here we have ourselves the Transformers Cyberverse characters. So these are exclusive products specifically to Target. So we have ourselves Slipstream and, whoa, Cheetor! Now, Cheetor was actually one of my favorite Transformers back when I was growing up. Watching, I forgot it was like the wild or the prehistoric Transformers, or that like dinosaurs, gorillas was Optimus Prime, but anyways, so exclusively at Target and of course this box. Now, lastly, we have ourselves an Amazon exclusive. So these here are bots. Interesting. So these here are color changing Transformer robots that are geared to being robots that you'll find in a kitchen. And then they actually change colors too, which is kind of neat. And yeah, you have a little nice looking artwork over here as well, and definitely makes a great display case. So yeah, there you guys have it. All right, and then we have Hamza over here, also looking at robots. Hamza, what do you think of the Transformers? Are they pretty cool? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, they're so cool. I know, look how cool. So this here is Optimus Prime, and then over here we have Megatron. Which one's better? Pick one, Optimus Prime or Megatron? Which one are you? Alright, so he's actually a Decepticon. Hamza! So this is part of the all-new Cyberverse, in which this particular robot turns into a jet. You like this one?
That's
Yeah, I agree. It's alright. I mean, it's actually just got a few magnets to go ahead and transform it. But other than that, it's not too complicated. I think it's spring-loaded too, which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. Here we go.
That one.
Yeah, it's cool. Whoa!
Yeah.
It just turns into a plane. Look, it's a plane.
Mama?
Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and look at the next one. You ready? Whoa! What is this? This is a Cheetor version of the robot. So this is essentially like a suit, just like that or something like that. That's pretty cool, right, Hamza? He doesn't think that's cool. Okay. Anyways, next one. So next we'll be looking at the Amazon exclusive. These here are BotBots. These are cute little robots that transform, are particularly about the kitchen.
Is that her?
Yeah.
Cheetor?
Look at these. They're so cute. This is like a little toaster that transforms from a toaster, like that, into a robot, just like that. Look. Look, you have so many of them. They're all so tiny. Look at them. They're so cute.
Oh no,
This one's a chainsaw. I don't know if this is safe for kids. I don't know how this works. But yeah, you can put these in water and then they'll change color. Yeah. Alrighty, well, there you guys have it. This here is the Transformer package sent by Hasbro. And big special thanks to Hasbro for sending it out, and my guest star, Hamza, aka my lovely little son, as well. And with that being said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.